In this Autodesk Fusion 360 tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can separate forms that are T-splines in the Edit Form workspace. Let's go to the Edit Form workspace by clicking Create Form. Here in Fusion 360, we can create a box. Click on the origin, then drag out a box. Now, what if I wanted this box to have two halves? I can go Modify, Unweld Edges, and then I can double-click the edge. If I click OK, now these are two forms. This is indicated by the dark black line. Now I can double-click on this T-spline, press M, and then I can move it around. Now I have two T-spline forms that are empty. I can continue to edit on these individually. For example, I can click Edit Form, and then I can extrude this face out like this, or I could click on the edge and extrude the edge out. I can also extrude this edge out. And then I can either weld these vertices together, go Modify, Weld Vertices, and I can click those two vertices together. I can rejoin these forms together. If I want to have this point go here, I can do that. And then this point go here, and this point go here. I can continue to edit this form as is, or I can use some of the other modifying tools. So let's go ahead and edit the form, and we'll extrude down two other pieces. So I'll go Option Extrude Down like this, and then Option Extrude Down like this. And then I can continue to weld these vertices together, go Modify, Weld Vertices. And it'll pull those vertices together, and then I can pull those vertices together. And as you can see, we can create interesting forms, and then I can bridge this gap or fill the hole or patch it in the patch workspace and create forms that may have been more difficult to create if I only had a single form. This could be going around a special feature in your design, and then I can press OK. I can finish my form, and now it is a thin surface, and I can go to the surface workspace. I can click Create Thicken, then I can click this form, and I can thicken it to 1 millimeter, and then I'll have a new body. And now you can see that this form has a thickness, and then I can use it in a parametric modeling workspace. So this is a great way to create interesting geometry after you've separated a T-spline in Fusion 360. I can always go back and edit that form more if I need to and change it around. So hopefully you can model with T-splines, separate them by unwelding the edges in Fusion 360, and create fun 3D models of your own. Happy 3D modeling.